Hello and welcome to a protective style clear hair tutorial. We're going to be using 1B braiding hair. It's about 56 inches long, which I think that's like a combination of all four because I don't know if my hair is just big, Lord, I don't know, but that's not 56 inches. I think it's like each of them, you know, my math head, each one's like 14 inches long to me. So we're going to be showing me combining it as well. So I got 2 packs. First of all, this hair is really soft. Like, they put their foot in this one. I don't know if this hair they made, they was like having a good day at work, but that one's really soft anyways. So you're going to go through with the rubber band and you're going to hook it through both of the braiding hairs together. I put them together because I wanted it to be thick because my hair is thick. I feel like if your hair was fine, I feel like you could get away with one packet, but I want to have like that thickness to it, like not something that's like huge, but something that looks realistic as well. You'll see at the end, or where you saw at the beginning too. I'm gonna be sticking it on my double buttercream from As I Am. I just needed a hook. I needed something to hold it while I did this braid. So you're just gonna go through and then you want to make sure the hair is together but separate them. Pause. That don't make no sense, but in conclusion, make sure the hair is together. So you want to separate it into 3 corners. I feel like this is an excellent time to practice your braiding style. Now the braiding tightness, the tightness level, I would say I had a good grip on it, but I wasn't tightening it too much because I know I was going to have to open it up for my actual hair. So that's why I was saying, like, don't be too pressed about, oh, well, I don't know if I want to tighten my hair or not. Like, I don't know how tight the braid is. I was like, don't be pressed about tightening it, but make sure that it's tight enough that it doesn't come loose. But if you can see, the hair is really soft because usually when it's a connect line, hair be fighting. Anyway, so I braided it all the way to the tip where it's time to combine. Now, you know your girl is very detailed. So I zoomed in as much as I could zoom in. You can see my cuticles at this point. So you're going to go in with the next piece of hair and you're going to put it right under the braid. And you're going to introduce it to the rest of the class. And that's how you do it. Now, if you need to rewind this over and over again, don't feel bad because when I saw somebody else doing it, I was just like, you're lying to me right now. But that's pretty much it. I said I had to zoom in for my hair bows because, baby, I just don't understand how you're supposed to do feed-in braids and not have your brain get confused because it's very confusing. As you can see, it's definitely a little bit thicker of where I added it at, but we'll go back to go fix that. But so far, it's a smooth transition over. And you want to just keep braiding it all the way down. I wish I would have like pinned the actual bottle so it could stop moving around, but this is your little Rapunzel braid now. Okay, call it tangled. So I have right here, I'm holding it, and I have it right here and I'm holding it, and I have my E-bin, which I need to get some more because, you know, I'll be using it. So you want to go towards the end here and just basically this is going to help the end stay tacky. So you want to use that part to basically seal the parts of the braid. That's pretty much it for that part. And that's why I had asked you guys, like, do you guys like twist or braid? Because I actually ended up doing both. So I was like, I actually ended up doing both of them. So I'm going to put a braid in the back and like the twisted look is going to be in the front, which I'm going to show you in a little bit here. So here I'm just doing a twist. This one, prepare to fight because for some reason, I guess the braids was more more solid for it to stay, but when I had a twist, you see me fighting with it, like literally me and this twist was going at it. But you're basically gonna do a basic twist, and this one you're not gonna have to worry about the end sealing because you're probably gonna be going through and it was fighting me. You see it? It's like it's twisting on itself. I have the look. I got mad. I got mad. You can tell I got mad. So the E-bin is just going to go right here, just help the end stay a little bit tacky because it keeps moving. But that's pretty much it. I'm just going through, twisting it all the way through. This hairstyle, honestly, I would say the part that took the longest was probably like slicking my hair down. But every other part, it was like, I could see you being like, I don't know what to do with my hair. And you just do it like automatically. So this one, I don't even want to say the braid and the twist took more than 5 minutes because I was just like, okay. If the song ended, it was a long braid. If the song ended prematurely, but no, it actually wasn't that bad. I definitely see you guys doing this hairstyle, something simple because, like I said, like we all working, you know, and there's no time to sit there and just go and do it and sit there and do a hairstyle. Like I promise you, there's no time. But this is how my hair looked like before. I was just showing you that I didn't stretch anything. I didn't stretch anything. It's just my hair was just like that. I didn't even do anything. But I'm gonna be separated into 3 sections. And I was gonna go and show me slicking my hair down, but I think you guys got the concept. But if you want me to have like a specific like how to slick down natural hair video, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Definitely put in the comments of, you know, other skill sets that you guys want me to teach you. But I think everybody got the slick down. I use my basic I use my Eben that I use, and I use Gorilla Snot as well, and that's pretty much it. The parts don't really have to be straight. I mean, if you want that cleaner look, it was giving Reptar. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, from Rugrats. It was giving Reptar. But definitely pay attention to this part, especially for my thick-haired women. Let me show you a little secret. So let me show you a little secret. But yeah, I think it would be a cute little braid ponytail as well, because you're gonna put the twist in the front. I'm just kind of modeling it. That you'll see me play around a lot, like where it should go or where it shouldn't go. So right here, I'm just opening the braid up. That's why I said don't braid it too tight. I'm just opening up the braid here. I'm gonna use this to cover my third one for the most part, but it looks pretty cute as a freestanding braid, so that might be a future hairstyle. I'm laughing because none of the pins were coming out. Like, it was really irritating. It was like, so none of y'all gonna come out? Got it. Anyways, but you're gonna go through and you're just kind of you're basically trying to hide it. Pretend you're hiding a secret, right? You're basically trying to hide your part there. And it's also a great protective style because your ends are covered. I made sure I did a good moisturize. I made sure I moisturized it very well before I even did any of that. So you want to go through right there, just come in with the pin again, and then that's pretty much it. Like, of course, you know, I went in and, you know, edited behind. You guys got to understand I am using imagination here to understand what's going on back there. So I definitely used my back mirror, and I went ahead and I pinned that in place. And that's pretty much it. Like, I don't even think this hairstyle will take you 30 minutes, honestly. I think slicking it down is going to be like the most irritating part, but that's pretty much it. And then right now we're just making the bang. I know people don't use that word anymore, but we're just going to make the bang, and this is just a twist. You want to put this on the front one, like the first one right here. And then you're going to go ahead and put it on the first one right here, and you're just going through with a twist. Like I said, like, you're kind of just playing with it. Like, you want to do it face for your frame, like frame it for your face, because like I said, like, I have an oval shaped face, so I want to like make sure that it doesn't make my face look longer like a little cucumber. But you're pretty much coming in and you're just kind of shaping it towards your face, trying to see how it plays, how it looks to you, if you like it or not. I think that's it. Only thing I would recommend, just to save on headache, get some bobby pins, I think they're called. The ones that they're kind of like a free loose, like the ones that they use at the hair salon. Like, use that. You see how I kind of played with it a little bit, but use those just so it'll be a little bit lighter on your head, a little less struggle on your head. But that's pretty much it. That's a hairstyle. Let me know if you guys would try it or not. But yeah, bye. Have a great one.